Let's go, let's go, let's go. Quick. Now, foie gras can be duck liver or goose liver. This is actually duck liver, and it actually looks like a sort of block of butter. We get it really nice and crispy on the sides, and inside it should be served slightly pink, but you've got to be quick. If you leave it in the pan too long, it disappears. Let's go.
Most people would never think of cooking foie gras, but it's so simple. Don't leave it to the restaurant chefs, try it at home. It's easier than frying an egg.
Good. More salt in there, please. Come on, taste it. First of all, let me show you. Don't worry about starting with oil, you know that. Because foie gras is 90% what?
Fat.
Fat. So why are you putting fat in the pan?
Stupidly.
Stupidly. Which piece of them would you put in first?
The biggest.
Why?
Because it takes longer to cook.
Good. Second biggest. Third biggest. And smallest in. Right. Now, we take it off the heat.
Yeah.
There's enough heat in there to still colour it. Tilt the pan. Helps cook the back of the foie gras, yes?
Okay.
Back on the heat. And turn it around again. Look at the difference in colour now, through there. Now it's starting to break down. And tilt the pan back up, and then just a little glaze over. Yeah? Nicely. And they should all come out evenly, yes?
Yeah.
Turn them around again. Carefully, yes?
I'm serving the foie gras on a bed of puy lentils. Don't use red lentils, as they'll turn to mush. They're cooked together with what we call a brunoise. That's finely chopped vegetables that have been sautéed. Then I bind the whole thing together with a fragrant herb vinaigrette.
Foie gras on the lentils, let's go. Are you happy with those?
Yes, chef.
Wipe the plates. Go, send it. Second time, Matthew. Table 5.
Foie gras excites a lot of passion because some people think it's cruel, but I think it's delicious, and you should try everything at least once.
I was a foie gras virgin before I came here, and I really wanted to try it, so definitely a good choice.
It tastes like butter. It tastes like the most delicious, velvety, buttery, creamy deliciousness that just slivers down your throat. It's the most fabulous taste in your mouth, and it's slightly crispy, but then inside it's all just like velvet stroking you inside your mouth. It's delicious.
Well, I thought the starter was quite nice, actually, really lovely, nice and smooth, worked well with the vegetables, and it's something that I couldn't possibly cook myself, really.
I heard the girl on the next table say, oh, I'm not eating that. So we kind of had a word with our waiter who negotiated that plate came over here as well.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
You well?
Yeah, really well, thank you very much.
Enjoy the foie gras?
Yeah, lovely, really nice foie gras.
So how many times a week would you eat out, normally?
Well, I eat out loads because I can't cook to save my life. I've probably got a few crackers and some crunchy nut cornflakes in the cupboard.
Mum must have taught you how to cook somewhere along the line, no?
Well, she tried, but she kind of gave up with me when I was about 22. She got me a wok and said, you can't go wrong, you should chuck everything in and cook it. And I cooked fish with vegetables, and I didn't cook the fish properly. And I was sick for about 12 days, and since then I was so ill, Gordon, I can't do it again.
So you prefer eating out rather than cooking?
God, yeah, especially when I've got someone like you cooking for me. How can I compete with that?
Main course, rack of lamb.
Ooh, lovely.
Boulanger potatoes, courgettes, provençal, tomatoes, herbs, light vinaigrette again. I'll be back after that.
Right.
Please eat it all.
I will.
In fact, the only thing I want you to leave are the bones.
Do you know what? You're the man of my dreams. You're the first man who's told me to make sure I eat it all.
Clean plate.
I've never had that problem.
Enjoy your lamb.
I will.
Pink, medium, well done.
For me, well done.
No chance. Pink.
Oh no, I've got to eat raw meat now.